Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video, we are going to learn about how to create the database in our PostgreSQL. Okay. So now guys, let's get started. So as simple, just click on this server. You'll be asked for a login. So just enter your password and you'll be entering inside your PostgreSQL. So this PostgreSQL version is 16. Okay. So here you can see that PostgreSQL is 16. And now guys, let us create the database. So here you will find that a databases tab. Okay. So let's click on this arrow and by default you'll find one database as Postgres. So this table comes while the installation. And now guys, let us create the database. So right click on the databases and you'll find that create, and inside that create you will have a database tab. Okay. So let's click on that and here you can type your database name. So let me name as FundaDB. So this is my FundaDB database and its owner is going to be Postgres itself. And if you want to add a comment, you can just add it. And other tabs are just about the information about what database you are going to create. Okay. So yep, let's get back and just click on save to create the database. Perfect. So guys, here you see your FundaDB database is created. So if you don't find, just right click on the database and click for refresh. So it refreshes the databases and you can find your finally the database. Okay. So inside this database, we have schemas and casts, catalogs. These are different tasks of that database. So if you want to create a table, you can just go to the schema and start creating your tables, guys. Okay. So guys, in this video, it's all about creating the database. Okay. So guys, if you want to create a table and insert the record, please watch out the next video, link given in the description. So guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.